Welcome back to Auto Luxury 295, where we bring timeless classics and bold machines to life. Today, we're taking a trip back to post-war America, to a time when style met substance in a way that few cars ever achieved. We're talking about the 1948 Lincoln Continental, a car that's not just a classic, but a symbol of prestige, elegance, and engineering prowess. Let's dive into what makes this automotive icon so unforgettable. Exterior. The 1948 Lincoln Continental looks like it belongs on a red carpet or in front of a jazz club in New York City. It's long, low, and wide, a perfect expression of luxury for its time. The front end boasts a strong, upright grille framed by large, circular headlights, a look that was both regal and intimidating. Chrome trim traces the graceful curves of the fenders and doors, giving the car a rich, stately presence. This Continental was one of the last cars to be truly hand-built, and it shows in the details. The rear of the car features that signature exposed Continental-style spare tire, which became its most iconic trait. Long sweeping lines, wide whitewall tires, and an ultra-smooth finish make it feel like a moving sculpture. Open those large, heavy doors and you're greeted by a cabin that screams first class. The interior is a mix of real leather, polished wood, and solid metal accents. The dashboard is symmetrical and beautifully designed, with large chrome-rimmed gauges, push-button radio, and a thin-rimmed steering wheel that feels more like a yacht's helm than a car control. Seats are large, plush, and sofa-like. The front bench fits three with ease, and the rear is almost like a personal lounge. Back in 48, features like power windows and a heater were luxuries, and this Lincoln had them. Every part of the cabin feels handcrafted, with luxury embedded in every stitch and seam. Interior. Powering the 1948 Continental is a 292 cubic inch flathead V12 engine, producing around 125 horsepower. It's not fast by modern standards, but it was smooth, refined, and powerful for its era. Paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, the car offered a dignified ride with a steady, composed feel on the open road. The V12 wasn't about speed, it was about effortless cruising. The suspension was soft, the steering was relaxed, and the Continental glided along highways like a true flagship. It was the kind of car you were chauffeured in, or drove slowly through town just to be seen. Performance. The 1948 Lincoln Continental wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It represented the best America had to offer in design, engineering, and craftsmanship at the time. It was one of the last great coach-built vehicles, a favorite of celebrities, diplomats, and business tycoons. Today, it stands as a symbol of an era when cars were more than transportation, they were art. And the Continental. It was the Mona Lisa on wheels. If you love vintage elegance and automotive legends, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Luxury 295, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite post-war luxury car? Until next time, keep it classy, keep it rolling.